Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In this video, we are going to understand the different types of memory used in computers, primary memory and secondary memory. Let's get started. Primary memory is also known as main memory or internal memory. It is temporary memory, which means the data is lost when the computer is turned off. This memory is directly accessible by the CPU, so it plays a key role in running programs and processing data quickly. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called auxiliary or external memory. Unlike primary memory, it is permanent, meaning the data stays even when the power is turned off. However, this type of memory is not directly accessible by the CPU. It is used mainly for long-term data storage. Examples of primary memory include RAM and ROM. RAM is volatile, so it loses data when power is lost. It temporarily holds active data and apps. ROM, on the other hand, it is non-volatile. It stores permanent instruction like the system startup firmware. Primary memory is fast and helps in high speed processing. Secondary memory devices include hard disk, DVDs, pen drives, and more. They are non volatile, so they retain data permanently. Although they have slower access speed, they offer larger storage capacity and are much cheaper than primary memory. Secondary memory is ideal for storing files, programs, and backups. Let's compare primary and secondary memory. Primary memory is fast, temporary, and expensive, but smaller in size. Secondary memory is slower, permanent, cheaper, and much larger. Primary memory handles live operation, while secondary memory stores data for future use. Thanks for watching. Now you know the key difference between primary and secondary memory and how they help a computer function efficiently. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more clear and simple tech videos. See you in the next one.